How to stop sharing Safari browse history between iPhone 16 Pro Max or iPad. So let's start the video. First of all, open settings and then scroll down in last, and here you see the option apps. Click on apps and then scroll down, and here you can see the option Safari. Click on Safari and scroll down, and here you see the option share across devices. Turn this button off. After turning this button off, go back and open Apple account and click on iCloud and click on see all, and here you see the option Safari. Turn this Safari button off and click on delete from my iPhone, and after do these things your problem will be solved. So this is the way to stop sharing Safari browse history between iPhone 16 Pro Max and iPad. Thanks for watching this video.